Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to review Upside Gas Cashback app. Upside Gas Cashback is a rewards app that helps users save money on fuel and everyday purchases. By linking your payment method and completing simple tasks like buying gas, groceries, or dining out, you earn cashback. The app focuses on easy, real-world savings and offers a straightforward way to get rewards for routine spending. Let's see its features. Features include earning cash back when you fill up at participating gas stations, along with offers for groceries and dining. You claim an offer in the app, pay with a linked credit or debit card, or upload a receipt, then receive your cash back. Cash out is available via bank transfer, PayPal, or digital gift cards. Now we will see its pricing. Pricing is free to download and use, with no subscription required. Here, we will talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, offers genuine cash back opportunities up to 40.25 per gallon on gas in some markets, includes everyday spending categories, not just fuel, and flexible payout options. On the downside, coverage varies greatly by region. Offers may be limited or non-existent locally. Deals sometimes require extra steps. Receipt upload, check in within time, and may expire. Some users report offers not honored or lower than advertised. Here, we will talk about customer reviews. Many users report successful cash back and appreciate the extra savings. There are numerous complaints about difficulties in getting rewards processed, offers expiring without credit, and weak customer support. Overall, the app is useful for occasional savings if you live in a supported area and follow rules strictly, but results are inconsistent and it should not be relied on for significant savings. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.